Alright, just got myself a Plymouth, a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. It has a Hemi engine. So we're going to open this up today. It's going to be in the box for someone to enjoy after you die. So might as well open it up and see what we get. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this. It comes with its own case right now, so you don't have to really take it off. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see how beautiful details it has. Has a lot of details on the car. License plate 1969. You can't open the trunk. Can you open the front? Oh, you can open the front. Look at that. You can open the front. Beautiful. Let's open the doors. Oh, you can open the doors. Detail wise, it's all black interior. They don't put any color or anything like that, but I like this part. I like that it comes with its own casing and everything. So, beautiful car. I like the details. I like this part. This is a plus. This is a plus. I like that. But the hood doesn't open, so you got to hold it down. So, look at that. Hemi engine. Can you tell it's a Hemi? It's been either red or orange, and this one's orange, right? So, detail-wise, it's not the best details. I've seen better on cars, detailed cars this small. Poorly job on the paint, but if you're a collector, it's nice. I like that they give you this. This is all plastic. Everything's plastic. So I like that they give you the cover. If you know somebody that had one, you could give it as a gift. Now there is some details on the actual door. I'm not sure if you can see it, but some details on the door. The front of the car, I didn't show you guys the front of the car. Paint. I like that they put glass sometimes, but not in this car. But the glass itself is a little different from other cars. They're miniature cars, but I like it because with this case, you know, somebody that wanted a car or maybe has a car like this, perfect for your collection.